What's the meaning of burdensome? Burdensome. Burdensome.
Burdensome. Burdensome. Burdensome is an adjective used to describe something that is difficult to bear, oppressive, or overly weighty. When a task or responsibility is burdensome, it can feel like a heavy weight upon one's shoulders, causing stress and anxiety. This can lead to a decrease in productivity and motivation, and may even result in physical or emotional exhaustion. A burdensome situation can negatively impact one's mental and physical health, as well as their relationships and overall quality of life. Learning to manage and alleviate burdensome situations can be crucial for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling life.